Welcome to a brief but captivating exploration of plankton, the unseen giants of the ocean. In this 5 minute journey, we'll delve into the fascinating world of these microscopic organisms that wield immense influence over marine ecosystems. From their role as the foundation of the oceanic food chain to their impact on global climate patterns, plankton are truly the unsung heroes of the seas. Greetings, ocean enthusiasts, and welcome to a glimpse into the hidden realm of plankton. While often overlooked, these tiny organisms play a colossal role in shaping the health and dynamics of our oceans. Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of plankton and their vital significance in the web of marine life. Plankton come in a staggering variety of shapes, sizes, and forms, encompassing both plant-like, phytoplankton, and animal-like, zooplankton organisms. Phytoplankton, such as diatoms and dinoflagellates, harness sunlight to produce energy through photosynthesis, serving as the primary producers of the ocean. Zooplankton, including tiny crustaceans and larval forms of marine animals, graze on phytoplankton and form a crucial link in the marine food chain. Despite their small size, plankton wield immense ecological power. They serve as the foundation of marine food webs, providing sustenance for a myriad of oceanic creatures, from small fish to massive whales. Additionally, plankton play a vital role in regulating Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen through photosynthesis, influencing global carbon cycles and atmospheric composition. Unfortunately, plankton face numerous threats in today's rapidly changing world. Pollution, overfishing, climate change, and ocean acidification pose significant challenges to plankton populations and the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Conservation efforts aimed at reducing pollution, mitigating climate change, and establishing marine protected areas are crucial for safeguarding plankton and preserving the health of our oceans. As we conclude our brief exploration of plankton, let us appreciate the profound impact these tiny organisms have on the oceanic realm and the planet as a whole. May our newfound understanding inspire us to cherish and protect the delicate ecosystems that sustain life beneath the waves. Together, let us strive to ensure a brighter future for plankton and all marine life, preserving the beauty and diversity of our oceans for generations to come.